guys, welcome back. So today I decided to attempt to do a get ready with me in 5 minutes challenge. My husband thought that was very funny because I don't ever get ready to go anywhere in 5 minutes. Especially when it comes to doing my makeup, I usually sit and putz around with it for a while. So I attempted it today. It took me about 7 minutes, so I was close. But this can also be kind of like a no makeup look for if you want to just like go out the door somewhere and have a little bit of makeup on and look like natural, fresh-faced kind of look. I've done this makeup when I'm not a morning person, so sometimes if I work really early in the morning, I don't want to get myself up that early, so I'll just do something simple like this that is just minimal makeup. Or, you know, like if you're just one of those people like I am, like I like to have a little bit of makeup on when I run some errands or something, you can do this too. So I also, the other night I had my husband help me pull out the extensions, not pull them out, but like, you know, he helped me manually take them out because as most of you know, we're in quarantine right now, so I was ready to take them out. So you can see I have some hair. I'm very proud of this pixie that I've grown out all by myself. And I re-dyed it. It's not perfect, but for most of you who know me, I like it to look like this. Like I find it to look different, and that's just how my hair tends to take dyes anyways, is just very like different tones for some reason. So I kind of like it. I think it came out okay. In my opinion, I like this look. Anyways, please also forgive my baby monkey fingers because I took off my gel nails myself the other night, and it was very painful, and they are in terrible shape. So please don't judge, but I'm sure ladies, we all, at least all of you ladies who go get the manicures, are all dealing with the same struggle right now with your nails. So if any of you guys have any tips on how to get my nails healthy again, because I'm so used to wearing the acrylics or the gels on top, please leave them in the comments below, because I am not good with my nails. I've been a nail biter since I was a kid, and I find that it's easier when I have those acrylics or those gels on to not bite my nails. So I hope that you enjoy this video. So I am gonna switch over to the beginning before I had any makeup on. Okay, so first I'm gonna apply my CC cream from It Cosmetics in Fair Light. I apologize if this looks a little dark on me because I usually wear a self tanner. I put it on probably every week of my life because I don't like to get in the sun a lot, and I'm giving my skin a little bit of a break right now. So forgive me if the coloring is off. All of my foundations and tinted moisturizers are a little darker than my skin because I'm always wearing self tanner. So I really like this CC cream because it has sun protection in it, and it has like anti-aging properties, and it just really covers your skin really well. It keeps it hydrated. I mean, I would obviously wear moisturizer and everything as well, but, and by the way, I pre-prepped my skin before I started. I already had my moisturizer on and everything, so that's done. Just make sure it's everywhere. And then I'm gonna use this concealer from Garnier. It just helps get rid of like dark circles. It's not a heavy duty concealer. I'm trying to get a little closer so you can see. A little fuzz on my eye. Okay. Then I'm just gonna set that with my Shiseido setting powder. It's colorless, it just helps to kind of set the makeup. Setting brush there. And just set that under eye area and wherever I put the concealer. Add a little of the Nars Laguna bronzer. It's my favorite bronzer. Just to kind of warm up my face. Lord knows I need that right now. Just kind of go around the temples and the forehead. And the nose a little bit, and the nose a little bit. And just get under here too. And then I'm going to use a little of this blush from Nars. It's called Orgasm. That is the name of it. I didn't make it up. They have a lot of funny names from Nars. I've been like embarrassed to sell it to older ladies when I was working at, well, still at Ulta too, but been embarrassed to like say the name, like, what's it called? I don't wanna tell you. So then I'm gonna use a little of this is a eyeshadow stick. It's like a cream eyeshadow, like kind of a neutral glittery color all over the eye. Just the lid. And kind of in like the center, the inner part to brighten up the eye a little bit. And then I just kind of blend it in just a little bit, tap it in. Okay. And then I'm gonna just do a little of mascara from Benefit. They're real. Just curl my lashes. I'm trying to hurry because I'm so bad at this. I usually sit and like putz around when I do my makeup. And a little on the bottom. Come on, get in there. My eyes always water when I do this, so forgive me. And then just a little eyebrow gel, using the Body Shop eyebrow gel. It's their brow and lash gel, actually. And just a little bit, had a little chapstick on. Just a little bit of this lipstick from MAC is Crème Cup. Okay. So yeah, this is the look that I did. It's just very natural looking, and I feel like it's one of those looks that kind of like highlights your skin and makes it look very healthy and fresh, and makes it look like you don't have makeup on, because I've gone places with this makeup and people thought I didn't have makeup on, and I was like, no, I actually have a few things on. If I had a little more time, I'd probably add a little eyeliner, because I always feel like naked without it, or maybe another coat of mascara or something. But yeah, it's just a simple, natural, quick and easy look for just running out the door, or just if you don't like wearing a lot of makeup, then this is a look for you. Anyways, I hope that you guys are staying positive, staying safe, stay in your house, stay home. I mean, you don't have to stay in your house. You can, you know, hang out in your yard or your porch or your pool, whatever you may have, go for a walk, but just social distancing, guys. Just stay positive and remember that we're gonna get through this, and it's just comforting knowing that we're all in this together. I know you hear it every day, but I think that's kind of comforting to know that everybody is going through this and fighting this battle together. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and lots of hugs and kisses from me. Leave a comment below if you guys have any ideas for other videos you want me to do, and don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe if you like the videos. Thanks, bye.